Hi loves! Welcome to another random Rambles. This video is going to be very short. I feel like every time I say that it's going to be a short video, it ends up being a 14-minute video, worse, a 34-minute video, but that's fine. So for today, we are going to unbox my first ever air cooler. I don't have it yet. So, yun nga, it's going to be my first air cooler and it's going to be a small one. It's the Iwata Z16. I got it directly from the store. No, not the store, their office, their main office. I got it for 3,495, but I had to shell out 500 pesos more for shipping. I had to arrange that because they don't ship. So you have to ship it on your own. Basta. Alright, I'm filming this right now because pag dumating na yung unit, baka hindi ako makapag-film ng intro kasi baka excited na ako. So what I did to prepare, well, first of all, I decided to film this because when I was debating on getting an air cooler or a portable aircon, kasi may isa na kaming aircon sa room, and electricity-wise, it's not a good idea. So, I opted into getting the air cooler. I want to do more research on what brand and what unit to get. And then, when I was searching sa Facebook Market, ang daming nag-pop up na Iwata Z18 and Z10. I was going to get the Z18. It's almost the same price, but okay. Wait. Nag-text na yung rider, ando na daw siya sa pick-upan. Okay, so I was initially about to get the Z18 because it has soft LED touch panel. It has remote control, but then I came across another unit which is Z18, almost the same size, but the water tank is 8 liters compared to the Z18 na 4 liters lang. And I don't want to keep on replacing the water or refilling the water. So, but that one doesn't have a remote, I guess. So, I really have to be practical. So, I chose Z16. What else? Yun, I want to film this kasi when I was debating on getting the model that I wanted and there was no video about it. I mean, it's not something that you would watch, but kasi ganun ako, whenever I want to buy something, I do my research. So, yun. Ako lang gagamit nun, sobrang liit. I also set my expectations na rin. It's not gonna be as cool as the aircon that I have. But I think, hopefully sana, it's way better than the electric fan that I'm using. It's 65 watts. This is the one that I'm using. Plus, I have this one and then this one. So, pag kinumpit to, parang lalabas na 55 watts ang ginagamit ko. So, I guess mas magiginahawaan ako pag air cooler. Binili ko rather than an electric fan or better yet, a portable aircon. Which, by the way, I opt not to get an aircon because una-una, I need this light because this is my filming room. And as you can see doon sa isang video ko na I filmed, ang pangit talaga pag hindi natural lighting. So, yun. One of the preparation I did is gumawa na ako ng yelo. I put it in a plastic bag and then finreezer ko siya. Why? Because it will include 4 packs of ice cooling gel or ice cooling packs, but you have to refrigerate that. And gusto ko na siyang matest kung gaano kalamig. Kaya yung next clip na makikita nyo is me unboxing it. Hindi na ako siguro magsasalita, ipa-fast forward ko na lang. Kasi very self-explanatory naman na yung gagawin and may manual naman yun. Siguro unboxing and then first impression. Okay, so itetest na natin siya. So apparently, I think I still need to do some research. Because parang may nakita akong post na may tank pa talaga siya dapat na removal. But it seems like dito lang. So, I don't know. Let's see. Check muna natin yung air na lumalabas sa kanya. Not so. I don't know if I'm happy about it. Dahil mas malakas pa rin yung electric fan ko. And I just don't know. Okay, so I found out na I thought ito lang yung paglalagyan ng tubig. But apparently, you have to remove this. Ayan. This is the filter. Ito yung tinatawag nilang, I don't know if you can tell, yung honeycomb. And it's a paper, so you have to gently do it. And there. I'm a little bit disappointed because this doesn't feel sturdy, but again, it's only 3,500, but I don't know. So let's try to fill it up with water. I have a water here. This is exactly 8 liters, and we're gonna try with water, cool, but without the ice muna. So carefully. Okay. I'm so scared. How would I do this? Okay, I think I have to reduce the water here. Okay, nalagyan na natin yung tubig. But since wala pa tong tubig, itatry natin to later. This is, I don't use this anymore. So yellow siya. And then we put it back. Okay, so hindi ko pa ginagamit yung pool. I don't feel it getting colder or any means. But let's see. Okay, I'm gonna keep it running. I-ref ko lang to. Nalagyan ko sila ng water and all dito. I guess it's a hair cooler than a regular electric fan, but I don't think it's any cooler. So let us try to put it inside. I'm gonna turn it off. Be careful. And by the way, may ano to, warranty. Yeah, it's getting cooler now. It has ice, but it's still not enough for me. But I guess I still have to manage my expectation in the aircon. sabi ko, I'm still iffy about it. I still have to let you know kung okay siya. I'll be back probably tomorrow pag ginamit ko na siya mamaya sa work.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Hi guys! So, just a quick update. It's been 5 days since I got the unit. I got it Friday morning, which is June 5, and it's now June 10 of 2020. So far, so good, and I can now say that it's worth the price. 3,495. So I'd say it's worth it if you're buying this air cooler for your personal use, and yun lang, for your personal use. Kasi if you're someone who's thinking to buy an air cooler to replace an aircon, no, you're not gonna get your money's worth. I would just suggest go ahead and buy an aircon, because this is not something that would replace it. Now, if you're someone who wanted to get an air cooler, but who would share it and who would use it like sa sala or on bigger space, I highly suggest you get the bigger models, because the one that I own, Z16, 65 watts lang siya. So basically, if mas maliit yung konsumo ng electricity, that only means that it's not that powerful. Again, I highly suggest you get the bigger models. So far, I can say that it actually made work from home very comfortable. Hindi na ako ganun kainit na init. Though I wish I could still be wearing sweater, you know, but that's fine, that's fine. What I did, by the way, is I purchased 2 ice packs from Lazada para may kapalitan yung 4 na 4 packs. Kasi the one that was included in the unit is too small. So I got 2 ice packs. I think that's a 600 ml for 169 pesos sa Lazada. Probably I'll give you an update. A month, and then 8 months, and after a year, para lang makita natin kung magtatagal. Yun, it's worth it if personal use. It's worth it if maliit na space lang. And by the way, unlike the aircon na you have to insulate everything, na dapat nakasarado yung pinto, nakasarado yung bintana, this one would require open doors and windows, because you would want the air or yung air mag-ventilate, mag-circulate, kasi unlike aircons na nag-recycle ng air. Oh, by the way, another thing, I thought when I got this, akala ko nag-leak siya. Yun pala, according kay Kuya Agent, doon sa pinagbilan ko, is when you use the cool mode, make sure that you don't crank it up to the highest, pinakamataas na level. So, kasi there's low, medium, and high. So, kung gusto mo na pinakamataas, just make sure na you set 5 minutes interval for modes. So, 5 minutes sa low, and then 5 minutes sa medium, and then crank it up to high. So, yun lang. So far, no leaks. Doing good. Yun nga lang, every hour you have to replace the yellow, the ice. 8 liters yung akin, and for those 5 days, I think I only had to replace or to refill 3 or 4 times. So yun. And if you have questions about the model, again, it's Iwata Z16 for 3,495 plus shipping. Leave your questions down below. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell pala para ma-notify kayo whenever I upload new videos. Bye!